In 2010, Derek and I started Sumaq. We were just two young guys who knew nothing about rugs and manufacturing, but what we did see was an opportunity.
We ended up in Peru mainly because I fell in love with the country and the people. After spending years of manufacturing in Asia, I was just fed up with the race to the bottom and cutting quality. Seeing how Peruvians manufactured in such an artisan way really inspired me at the very beginning of Sumaq.
When we first showed our rugs in North America, clients were blown away by the quality and, most importantly, the feel. It was when they felt the alpaca and we saw the smile on their face and pursued the opportunity.
It wasn't just the alpaca, but the fact that we're making them in Peru, people thought we were crazy. 95% of rug manufacturing is done in the East. Being one of the first, and also being Canadian, got us into many of the top design showrooms worldwide.
Unlike other rug manufacturers, all the material we use in the making of our rugs is sourced and processed in Peru, which makes us hyper-local and sustainable, an industry where the majority of the source material is imported from across the world.
But it's not only that we're local and sustainable. All of our alpacas are raised at elevations upwards of 15,000 feet above sea level. That alone separates our alpacas from the others in the world, simply because of the harsh climate conditions it takes to raise an alpaca at that altitude. So our alpaca is finer, softer, and stronger.
It has been a slow burn educating our clients about alpaca rugs and building a business where you can now find a showroom selling our rugs in almost every major city in North America and throughout Western Europe. It was the growth of the last 10 years that has forced us to bring all manufacturing into one large facility where we can control all aspects of rug making.
Today, we have a stunning factory that melds modern techniques with ancient traditions. We bring weavers from all over Peru to weave our rugs. We truly value our weavers. Not only do we house them, we pay for their lunches, we offer them English lessons. Our goal is to create an environment where the people making our rugs are very happy. But we compete against the East, where one of our weavers costs the same as many as 10. Ethical manufacturing is real.
Having everything under one roof gives us complete control for developing new products, speeding up manufacturing, and increasing durability. Now we can develop new weaves and strike-offs in 2 to 3 days. We can manufacture rugs with lead times as short as 2 weeks.
We cater to designers, so we understand what it takes to create consistency and beautiful rugs in a luxury market. Every day we're developing new weaves, so we take pride in being an industry leader in alpaca rugs, and we're very excited about the future.
We are pushing super hard at Sumaq to take it to the next level.